Hi everyone, this is Dr. Joanna Johnston,
And Darren Wales.
and we come together to share a very important announcement with Santos Bonacci and our big announcement regarding the big event that's going to be taking place here in Mexico in the Yucatan on October 26th to the 28th. It's going to be a very exciting event, and it's going to be life-changing. And why do I say life-changing? Because with this knowledge, it's going to save your life. Literally, save your life. You see what's going on right now all over the world. It's not normal. It's not normal what's happening, right? You see what's going on in the UK, in the USA. Here in Mexico, we're pretty much chill on this end. Thank the gods for that.
Pretty easy here. But I was checking out stuff in the UK earlier on, and you get fined for having your own parties, like DJing. Like everybody used to, all the DJs, since they couldn't get out and do the pubs, clubs, and all the other venues. Obviously, now they're going to get fined for if they do parties at their own home, in your own home,
in your own house. I'm sure some of them have paid for, or maybe even rented. It doesn't matter. In their own house, their own private space, they're being fined. Starting to remind us a little bit of Nazi Germany.
Yeah, and the people that are on benefits, obviously, they're being promised £500 if they stay in their own home. So the lockdown in their own home, you've got to stay in your own home. So I guess that's easy to be found, right?
Yes, exactly. So it's it's ridiculous and outrageous. And we have heard from other people in the UK that yes, things are going pretty crazy right now. So the beautiful thing is we have a solution for all this craziness. Us three, Darren, me, and Santos Bonacci. We're coming together like the Three Musketeers.
Yeah.
In Cancun, Mexico. So come to Cancun and listen to this interview. Now, mind, the sound is not that great. It was an urgent message. It was an urgent interview that we had to do because he's busy with a lot of things getting ready to come down this way, and it was something that we had to urgently do. And I do apologize for the sound. It's not as crisp, but the message is important, folks. You have to come down to Cancun. Those of you who cannot make it to Cancun, it is perfectly fine. We will be doing it online as well, live online on Zoom.
Yeah, so you got three wisdom keepers coming together with a very important message that's going to save your lives. And not just saving your lives, it's also going to turn your life around, because helping you put your mindset in the appropriate way where it used to be originally, before it was all pre-programmed by subliminal messaging.
You're going to be able to manifest your desires. You're going to manifest the things that you want. So you have to realize there are different levels of frequencies. There's different levels of parallel realities, different dimensions. So yes, if you focus on the negative and the fear and constant move into that vibration, that's what happens. You end up creating that in your external world. But if you're constantly focusing on, okay, that's bad what's going on in that reality, but however, I am the goddess of my reality, and I'm going to create what I want. So it's learning how to maneuver through the craziness, and Santos has a lot of solutions for you as well, and I just cannot wait. So let's go to the video, shall we? The interview.
Okay, Santos, take it away.
We originally tried to get this happening in the same time last year, October, I remember. I was supposed to come down. Instead, I went to Costa Rica, Nicaragua, but I was going to stop first at Mexico, but it didn't happen. But this time, it's going to happen. Okay, well, I'm a teacher of syncretism, which is the science of merging all fields of human knowledge. And what I'm going to be talking about specifically is the wave, and how the wave is the secret of the universe. Thank you, Walter Russell. Also, I'm going to give a tribute to Tesla in speaking about energy, frequency, and vibration. And then we are going to learn the essentials of that, and then we're going to see how those are truly both the two one and only secrets of the universe and how the universe manifests, etc. So it's going to be very, very informative. Now, I know people have their quantum physics and all sorts of ideas about science and how it works. Well, what you're going to find is that you won't be disagreeing with what I present. You will be, in fact, you'll be supported. I will support what you already know, whether your atomic theory is according to quantum physics or Einstein or Newton. It matters not, because I'm using the very models that everyone knows and simplifying them and showing them how there is a way better way to understand energy, frequency and vibration. The secret is so simple, and unfortunately Tesla didn't elaborate. He didn't have YouTube like we do, or was able to present things on the internet. I'm very, very fortunate. We are very fortunate, the listeners as well, that we are going to see with our own eyes how simple it is to integrate all fields of wisdom, theology, sciences, etc. through the wave, which is generated by energy, frequency and vibration. Right? And I'm calling out to all the syncretists out there. I know there's a whole bunch of people that are dying to get to Mexico. Get a flight to Cancun. Experience Mexico. Experience how spirituality is way different here in Mexico than anywhere else. You are much supported, much more supported in frequency here than anywhere else in the world. Where I am is quite distant from Cancun, about a 20-mile drive, but it's still in the south of Mexico where all the good indigenous culture is, and you can get healers, curanderas, shamans. You can get all kinds of healing, cactus, mushrooms. It's all here, it's all about advancing the spirituality here. The individuals are way more advanced. Whether they call themselves spiritual or not, I find Mexicans are the most advanced people in evolution, because they put kindness, friendliness, helpfulness first. It's going to be great. And then, of course, I want to tell the viewers that on November 4th to November 10th, I'll be down in Tulum doing other presentations as well, and possibly Playa del Carmen. So if you're going to be getting a ticket for this, then you're going to get some more benefits. It's going to be well worth it. I've got unreleased stuff. I've got quite a bit that I've been working on that I want to share, a lot of new stuff, and I'm very excited and energized. Okay, well, I just did a repost. I did a post 2 days ago about this event, and just 10 minutes ago I did a repost about it, and every second day I will do a repost till we fill those numbers, because even though it's only 15, it will still be tough to get some people out here in these conditions. So you can fly to Mexico. Mexican borders are open, and it's quite easy to get here. I know people coming and going. They're going to California, Oregon, they're coming back. And so it's absolutely doable. Living expenses are about a third of what you pay in the US of A. And you're going to get some great teachings like never, ever before. So the idea is to get people to Cancun first, because that's the one that's fully organized already, and Tulum and is in the pipeworks, but that will be 2 presentations there for sure. Beautiful. Can't wait to see you, and can't wait to see all the listeners who are inclined to come down.